Hello everyone and welcome to another interview question. So in this video we're gonna go through Node.js. So don't waste time, let's get started. So number one, what is Node.js and how it's different from traditional web server? The answer is Node.js is a runtime environment that executes JavaScript code outside of a browser. It's built on the Web 8 JavaScript engine and uses an event-driven non-blocking I/O model. So, traditional server vs Node.js. So, sorry, I'm gonna put this on a note. So, it's traditional server and this is Node.js. So execution model. In traditional server we have multi-threaded. But in Node.js we have single threaded. Performance. Traditional server blocking, but in Node.js there is no blocking, non-blocking. Scalability. Traditional server is limited, but Node.js is high. So these are the differences between traditional server and Node.js in features. Let's go to number 2. Explain the event loop in Node.js. The event loop is mechanism that handles, I'm so sorry I cannot spell that. Let me just check it in Google Translate.
Asynchronous.
Asynchronous, okay. The event loop is a mechanism that handles asynchronous callbacks in Node.js. It allows Node to perform non-blocking I/O operation. So it's like that. It's code stack, then is Node API, and then it's callback, queue, and the final it's event loop. So this is the answer. This is the diagram answer. So the event loop is a mechanism that handles asynchronous callbacks in Node.js. It allows Node.js to perform non-blocking I/O operations. So, and it's a diagram. First is call stack, Node API, callback queue, and event loop. Okay, let's go to number 3. What are streams in Node.js? Streams are objects used to read or write data continuously readable, writable, duplex, and transform. So I'm going to show you with an example. Const fs require, I don't have IntelliSense again, require fs, this is for file. So const readable, and it's good. Fs dot create read string. We have node.txt, I'm gonna read that one. Node.txt. And readable dot on data chunk chunk. That was great. This doesn't work every time I need it. Console dot log chunk. So this is it. How can I run it now? There is no any running. What does that mean? Run and debug Node.js. Okay. Difference between these two. Okay, run and debug. Honey, run and debug. Yeah. You see it buffers the data. So it's readable here. Let me just use this one to see it's working okay or not. There's no files here. We don't need path.join. We don't just need path.txt. Yep. And what just happened? Let me just check it again. TTF8 error data. Nothing requires path. Should we have here? No, it's not for that. fs.read file. Notes.txt. TF8 data. Can you debug it for me? just copy that again. Okay, that's true. I don't have files folder here. I don't have directory name. I don't need path.join. Okay, that should be correct. Run and debug. Can open Node.js queue starter starter. Oh, sorry, Node.txt. Okay, you see in first one we have streams here that stream data. It's kind of array here. But in second one, we have a console that like to show the data here. And you see we have the data in node.txt here. And the first one is for streams. Means that's streaming data. So let's go to number 4. What are CommonJS and ES models? Again, this word is making me crazy.
Synchronous.
Synchronous. Synchronous require and model.export ES models asynchronous import and export. I'm gonna go with CommonJS and ES model. And what is the difference between two? Let me just zoom in. This is CommonJS. This is how we load in CommonJS. But in ESWin we want to import. We use import fs from fs. This is ES model. This is the difference between these two. CommonJS and ES model. The imports of the libraries or anything. So let me comment that and let's go to another one. Number 5, explain middleware in Express.js. So middleware functions are functions that have access to the request and response object that next middleware. Like what? Like this. App dot use. Come on. App dot use req res and next. In request, response, and next. So let's go to this one. And console.log request URL req.url, and then we go to next. So this is the middleware in Express.js. Middleware functions are functions that have access to the request and response object, the next middleware. This is what we have here. So let's go to number 6. What is the use of process object in Node.js? So answer is that process is global object that provides information and control over current Node.js process. So it means process. Let's go and hit an example. Console.log process.pid and console.log process.cwd. So would you please run it for me if you could? Oh, this is for this one. Okay, run and debug, please. Please. I don't want to log here, and I don't want to log neither here. Run and debug. So you see PID is a process number, but CWD is the where the process is going. So this is how use of the what is the use of process object in Node.js? Getting a processor URL and getting the process number. So let's go to number 7. How do you handle errors in async code? So using try catch, async await, or dot catch for promises. It was the answer. Using try catch with async await or dot catch for promises. So let's go. You see async function. Do that for yourself. Thank you. Fetch data, and we do try here like const response is equal to await fetch URL, and we have catch here, error, sorry, error, console.log error. Could you please run for me? Oh, we didn't call the function. Fetch data, no parameters, run and debug. So you see URL is not defined. Oh, where's the URL? Oh, Let's go again, run and debug. Fail to pass URL from example. Let's go to catch. So let me make sure. Error is see, it's in cache. Let's try and catch. Okay, let's go to next one. Number 8. What are buffers in Node.js? The answer is buffers handle binary data in Node.js. I'm gonna go with an example here. Const buffer is equal to buffer dot from, for example, hello console.log buffer dot to string. Run and debug. You see it's hello. Handle binary data in Node.js. So easy. Buffers handle binary data in Node.js. So this is the example of that. So let's go to number 9. How to create a simple web server using Node.js. I love this one. Let me just comment this again. Let's go to this one. Const http require http const server, it's equal to http dot create server request and response. So I'm gonna go with this one, hit the bracket and response dot write at 20 and let's say it content dash type text plain. Let's go and the response respond dot end hello world. Gonna close this here and I'm gonna server that listen. Would you please do that? Okay, listen 3000 3000. Okay, let's run and debug. So it should be localhost localhost 3000. Yeah, it's hello world. This is how you run a web server here. Okay, this is this one, it was so easy too. Let's go to number 10. Stop this, please. Okay, let's comment this one. What is the clustering in Node.js? This is number 10. Clustering allows you to spawn multiple Node.js processes to handle concurrent requests. So let's hit an example. I'm going to create a variable, name it cluster. I'm going to require cluster. I don't pay for VS Code. Why VS Code shouldn't work correctly? If I pay that, I think the problem is solved. Cluster that is master and cluster dot fork and in else section we can do another process, console dot like hi. So let's run it. Yeah, you see that? So clustering allows you to spawn multiple Node.js processes to handle concurrent requests. So this is clustering. This questions was the common questions that interviewer ask you, but there are lots and lots and lots of questions. If you have any question about that, just comment in the video. I will answer that. Comment it, because may other people want to know the answer. Just comment it. Ask other developer friends, I can ask them. And follow my social media. It's on my bio description of YouTube. You can follow Instagram, TikTok, and you can contact me directly in Telegram. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoy it. We will have for other languages too. And again, thank you so much for your support. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. This is just the beginning of coding. We're gonna go forward to a lot of things, and this is just the beginning. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you so much.